is the ultimate modified BMW M3 GTR, a street-legal track monster built for speed, precision, and pure adrenaline. Today, we're taking a deep dive into every insane modification that makes this machine an absolute beast. Let's start with the exterior. This M3 GTR was already a legend, but we took things to the next level. A custom carbon fiber front splitter and side skirts help with aerodynamics, while the widened fenders give it an aggressive stance. And of course, no GTR is complete without that massive rear wing. It's not just for show, it keeps the car planted at high speeds. Under the hood, this beast packs a fully built 4.0-liter V8, pushing out an insane 550 horsepower. Custom headers, a performance intake, and an upgraded ECU take it far beyond its stock limits. And that exhaust note? It's pure mechanical symphony. But power is nothing without control. This M3 GTR sits on fully adjustable coilovers, making every corner feel razor sharp. Massive Brembo brakes ensure stopping power is just as impressive as its acceleration, and those forged wheels wrapped in semi-slick tires give it ultimate grip on the road and track. Step inside and it's all business. Full Alcantara racing seats keep the driver locked in, while the custom carbon fiber dashboard gives it a futuristic yet raw motorsport feel. A fully digital instrument cluster keeps all the vital stats in check, and the roll cage adds safety while reinforcing the car's aggressive DNA. Driving this machine is an experience like no other. The instant throttle response, the perfect weight balance, the way it grips through every turn. It's built for both the track and the streets. It's not just a car, it's a statement. This is what happens when passion meets performance. A true racing legend reborn for the modern era. If you love builds like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insane car content. Tell us in the comments, what's your dream build? Until next time, keep chasing speed.